Ethereum's price correction is bringing in the whales because who doesn't love a good crypto sale? Three brand new wallets just scooped up nearly $149 million worth of Ethereum. That's not retail money, not small traders. That's institutional money quietly stacking. Today, we're breaking down what's really happening with Ethereum, why whales are buying, and what this could mean heading into Q4. Hey, hi, how are you? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you are doing great. And I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, I post brand new cryptocurrency videos every single day. Now, let's jump right into it. Ethereum is currently undergoing a price correction, slipping below key levels as selling pressure grows across the broader market. Corrections like this are normal. In fact, they are healthy. After big runs, markets almost always pull back. Historically, Ethereum corrections can range wildly from 10% up to 30% before the next leg goes higher. Remember a month ago? No? Ethereum was trading at around 3,500. The month before that, 2,500. Institutions know this. They see the market and are preparing for something even bigger. Despite the pullback, institutional interest in Ethereum remains resilient, with major players continuing to add aggressively to their holdings. Think about it. Retail investors are nervous. The price is dipping, and yet institutions are still stepping in. This tells us the smart money views Ethereum not just as a short-term trade, but a long-term bet. According to analyst Ted Pillow's data, large-scale investors have been particularly active in the recent days, withdrawing Ethereum from exchanges and reallocating it to long-term strategies and DeFi protocols. Why does this matter? When coins leave exchanges, it usually means they are going into cold storage or stacking, not being sold. Less supply on exchanges often sets the stage for future price increase. This divergence between short-term price weakness and long-term accumulation highlights Ethereum's unique position in the current market. Retail is panicking over red candles, but whales are looking at the bigger picture. They see Ethereum's role in DeFi, tokenization, and collateral across the entire crypto economy. This split, fear in the short term, but conviction in the long term, really highlights Ethereum's unique position in this market. According to Pillows, Ethereum continues to attract large-scale buyers despite the recent correction, with data showing that 3 fresh wallets purchased $148,860,000 worth of Ethereum in the past few days. Such aggressive accumulation reinforces the conviction that institutions and whales maintain Ethereum's long-term potential, even as short-term volatility pressures the broader crypto market. At today's prices, that's roughly 33,800 Ethereum. To put it in perspective, that's more Ethereum than some mid-size exchanges even hold in their reserves. And the key here is that these were new wallets. This wasn't just old addresses moving funds around. This was fresh capital moving into Ethereum. Big wallets often buy before retail even realizes what's happening. This ties into the broader theme. While many retail investors are cautious, institutional players appear to be quietly stacking Ethereum, preparing for the next leg of growth. Why? Because they have longer horizons. Retail often thinks in days or weeks. Institutions think in years. They also understand Ethereum's fundamentals. Ethereum can be staked for yield. Ethereum is burned with every transaction, reducing supply. Ethereum is the backbone of DeFi, stablecoins, and tokenized assets. So while the short-term traders worry about dips, whales are looking at Ethereum's expanding role in the digital economy. The conviction displayed by these whales is a positive signal for the market, and one of the key reasons why Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin recently. Now, I'm not saying Ethereum is going to replace Bitcoin. They do play different roles in the market. Bitcoin is a store of value, while Ethereum is positioning itself to be more like the backbone of a financial operating system. But when whales rotate capital from Bitcoin into Ethereum, it's usually a sign that they see stronger upside in Ethereum. Historically, these rotations have also been the spark for altcoin season. Add in Ethereum's roadmap, institutions clearly see long-term growth. It's not just speculation, it's a belief in Ethereum as an infrastructure. So what do you think is happening? Did the whales buy too soon, or are they preparing for the next rally? Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's going to wrap it up for today. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for daily crypto updates. And as always, wherever you are in the world, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing great, and I'll see you in the next one.